Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Thought I'd give you a little tomato update. Hopefully a short video. But got some nice bok choy and cilantro growing. But we also got some monsters. Those are Placer Vassy. I think these are going to be mortgage lifters, German pinks, black beauties. Not too huge on this side. These are German pinks. German pinks. Placer Vassy, and you can see the color on those, and then the color on these. These are gold medal, so they get pretty big, pretty awesome. I do have some cracking problems, which would be possibly inconsistent watering, which is weird because I water consistently. And ooh, we got some flies going too, little fruit flies. Time to harvest those. They're ready to go. Even with the cracking, I also have a little blossom end rot, which is a nutrient deficiency, and some cap facing, which is a nutrient deficiency. You still get great tasting tomatoes. So don't be scared to cut like the bad part out right there and eat the rest of it. It is so good. These are the new ones, which are okay. They're a little sweet for me. I like more of a savory tomato, which would be these monsters over here. My Cherokee purples. Lots of those coming in, and they're ripening up too. I gotta start harvesting more Cherokee purples. Oh, look at those monsters in there. Yeah, and don't be scared of this either. This just means that the bloom that came out had multiple stamen, so that's why they end up looking so weird, which there's nothing wrong with that. These smaller tomatoes, I can't remember. I'm thinking Chadwick cherry, but that's not a cherry-sized tomato. I mean, they're pretty doggone big. Could be Chadwick, but man, they taste good. They're a good savory tomato. There's another gold medal, and then we got a lot more black beauties over here. And more black beauties, and look at this monster black beauty right here. This one's about ready to pick. That thing's pretty good. Half pounder for sure. Then we got some more. Oh, this Cherokee purple down here is just monstrous. It's got a few issues, nothing major. Oh, it's squishy. That thing's ready to harvest right now. Tomatoes everywhere. See, this one's a little light colored. You see how it's, but I bet you can harvest this. But right now, that's the color I'm looking for with my Cherokee purples. That's a monster too. Oh my gosh, those two together are over a pound, easy. So, time to harvest a lot of these. Another black beauty, smaller ones. They're not getting so big, but they're still doing good. And black beauty is definitely a great tasting tomato if you've never tried them. Another Placer Vassy, and then these little boogers. They're okay. They're good, but they're a sweeter tomato. I prefer savory, but I know some people like sweet. And I'll get you the name on those sooner or later. I got the packet in the house. Black beauties everywhere. I mean, that we had a cold spell, so things are, see how crispy the leaves are. And then if you come over here, look, we're talking like late season blight here. So they're going down, but I'm topping them off. So if you top your tomato off like this, you're going to send more energy into the plant. Make sure you pull all the suckers off, and that's just to get them to ripen. So it won't send more energy to the top of the plant, but it'll send energy into the fruit. So that's one technique you can use if it's late season like this and you're worried about your tomatoes not ripening. Top your plant. Like this one, I probably got to top this one. I'm going to check and see if any of these set, and then I'll top it. If they set, I just top it right here, and boom, you're done. Let it start ripening tomatoes. Got some big ones over here. I think this is another Placer Vassie. And it looks like gold medal down there. I mean, the tomatoes are just kicking butt. Uh-oh, looks like I have a hornworm somewhere. See this? See all this getting eaten off? Sure sign of a worm. So now I gotta find him. And then he moved over to this plant. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna let it go there then, because I am going to find me a worm and feed it to Broody Chicken. She loves them. She beats them up first, which I love too. So, adios, God bless, and pray for Israel. Thanks for watching.